Hello and welcome to a quick equipment review on this channel in which we're going to talk about batteries. So whenever I travel, I normally bring this battery here, which is from Anker, and it has 72 watt hours capacity. So I use this power bank to charge my camera batteries, also my cell phone, if I'm off the grid more than 1 or 2 days. And yeah, for this, it's quite okay. Problem is, what I'd also like to charge sometimes would be my laptop here. So that's the Dell XPS. It has a 86 watt hour battery, and capacity wise this could work out. So 72 hours, 86, so I would get nearly one charge. But problem is the output of the Anker battery and most other power banks nowadays is not fast enough to charge such a laptop. So it would take forever basically if it would work at all. So yeah, that's not really a solution, and yeah, it's been something I've been looking for some time now. Then a few weeks ago, after I got the studio light, the Kolber with which I'm filming this, I also got this battery here from Moman, the Moman Power 99. This one has 99 watt hours capacity, and it can be used via D-tap to power such a studio light, or also via an adapter I could power my Canon camera if I were to shoot a very long time lapse. And it's a great battery. I already used it to take some photos in the forest at night. So I put up the photo here or in front of me now. So it's very nice because it provides you some flexibility with your studio lights, and yeah, you can be much more creative if you can bring the light outside of the office. So it's great for that. It also has up here, let me show you this, 2 USB outputs, so I can use those to charge my cell phone, also my camera battery, similar to the Anker. Problem is those are also not very fast, so not sufficient to charge my laptop. So yeah, with that I also wanted to know if there's maybe an upgrade for this battery, and I reached out to Moman, asked if they would also be able to create a version of this which could maybe also be used to charge a laptop. Another thing which is not so nice about the Power 99 is you need this charger here. So it's a D-tap charger. It charges very fast. Problem is if you want to travel or bring it for traveling, I mean the charger is nearly as big as the battery. So that's not ideal. And yeah, the great thing is Moman already thought about this. They have an updated version now available. It's the Power 99 Pro here, and this one has again the D-tap outputs which I can use to power a light. It's the same capacity, but up at the top here, let me see if I can open this. It now has an USB-C input / output. So this one is 65 watts for input, so I can use it to charge the battery, which is great because I no longer need the large D-tap charger. So now for traveling I just bring this, and typically I have some USB-C chargers anyway with me. So that's nice. The good thing is this USB-C can also serve as an output. And yeah, I used it already, tested it with the Dell XPS. And what I got was like a bit over 40 watts output. And yeah, with this, you also see this, here's a little OLED display where when I have something connected, it will show how fast the output or how much output I generate. And yeah, it told me around 40 watts. With those 40 watts, I could charge the Dell XPS in like 2 hours, which is nice because I usually can find 2 hours where I don't use it when I'm off the grid. So I can get it fully charged, basically double the usage time for the Dell XPS. This one, it's still a little bit too slow to power the Dell XPS when I use it. So it usually pops up down here at the side and tells me, yeah, there's a power source connected, which is not fast enough. Yeah, but that's not too bad. I think 40 watts is enough, 2 hours, not very long to charge such a laptop and give me basically double time when I'm off the grid. So yeah, that's pretty nice. And yeah, the thing I also wanted to mention is size-wise, it's nearly the same still. I think this is roughly 600 grams. So it's not a lightweight, but it's very compact. You can usually fit it into your bag somewhere. It's also with 99 watt hours. It's still not too much to bring it onto an airplane. So I think 100 watt hours is the maximum a single lithium ion battery can have in terms of capacity. Otherwise you're not allowed to carry it on an airplane. That's why most of those batteries just cut off beneath the limit. So that's nice. And yeah, it's a very versatile battery, and it's also the end of the video already. As I said, it's going to be a quick one. Just wanted to show you this battery because yeah, I think for myself it's a nice addition because I now can use it in the office, outside when I film with the cobalt light, and then now also bring it onto my travels to charge all my devices, not just my camera and my cell phone, but also my laptop. Okay, that's it for the video. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one. Bye.